Do you want to make a career in data science and analytics, but not sure about where to start? Then don't worry, just go for Bangalore's best data science training institute, Introtallent. They have curated their programs to make it easy for each and every aspirant, irrespective of their background. Introtallent's personalized mentoring helps learners work on their improvements and get ready to crack job interviews. And the best thing is that they continue mentoring learners even after completion of the course. The Data Science Pro program offered at Introtallent is the best for anyone who wants to transition to data science and analytics job. Some of the key highlights are best-in-class training, 100% practical learning, job assistance, personalized mentoring, resume preparation, interview preparation, mock interview. To find more details, you can visit www.introtallent.com.